Hey, are you ready for a look and find today? We're going to go through all of the Jewish holidays and you're going to help me find what I need to celebrate each one. The first holiday we celebrate every year is Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year. And to celebrate, we dip apples in honey. So can you help me find one red apple, one already dipped in honey, and the honey itself? All right, let's look for that red apple. Oh, there it is up at the top. And now the one dipped in honey? Good job! And last thing, we need the honey. Thanks for your help. You're really good at this. Our next holiday is Yom Kippur, where we listen to the sound of the shofar. Can you help me find the shofar? Tekiah. Oh, there it is, up at the top. Thanks. Next, we're going to celebrate Sukkot. We're going to build a sukkah in the backyard. And it looks like this time we're looking for 2 lulavs to shake and 2 etrogs. First, let's find our sukkah. Good job! And now we need a lulav for you to shake. And one for me. Nice work. When we say the blessing for shaking the lulav, our etrog starts upside down. So can you help me find that one first? Yay! And then we flip it over. We did it! Let's see what's next. Right after Sukkot, we celebrate Simchat Torah, where we finish reading the end of our Torah scroll and then rewind it back to the beginning. Can you help me find these 3 different Torahs? Oh, I feel like this is going to be a tricky one. There's so many things that are that brown color. Oh, good job! You found the one right above the sukkah. And then there's the little one. Oh, man. Hey, you found the last one too! Great job! Do you know what holiday comes next? Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah. Let's see. We need to find a menorah, which is called a Hanukkah, and some latkes to eat, and some sufganiyot jelly donuts, and then of course chocolate Hanukkah gelt. And then it looks like we need to find 9 dreidels. Oy vey. Let's start with our menorah. Oh, there it is. I bet you saw that one right away. And now for some crispy latkes and our delicious sufganiyot. And then, of course, our chocolate Hanukkah gelt. Now let's find all those dreidels. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got them all! Happy Hanukkah! The next holiday in our Jewish calendar is Tu B'Shvat. It's all about trees and the wonderful things they do for us. So we're going to find 4 trees and then some delicious fruit. Do you see what I see? I see a tree peeking up over the top here. Let's circle that one first. And then, oh, here's a palm tree right under it. They make coconuts. Now let's see. Oh, here's one down here. And, oh, you're right. There's the other one. Now for some fruit. Let's start with cherries. Oh, there they are. Good job. And oranges. And kiwi. Have you had a kiwi before? They're like fuzzy on the outside. What about the pineapple? Now there's one more fruit here that we already circled for Rosh Hashanah, but it does grow on a tree. Good job, you found the apple again. Now it's time to get the whole family together for our Passover Seder, but we can't have a Seder without our Seder plate and some matzah, so let's see. Oh, there's our Seder plate with everything we need, and here's some matzah, and there's some matzah by an ice cream cone, and then, oh look, this matzah's a circle. All right, who's ready to get dressed up in costume and make some noise? It's time for Purim. Looks like we need to find 3 groggers and 7 hamantaschen. First, let's find our groggers. We might need to make some noise if we hear someone say the name Haman. Oh, there's one tucked up by those trees. And one near the sukkah. Oh no, can you help me find the last one? Hey, thanks. Now I need a nosh. Let's find all these hamantaschen. Let's start with the ones with sprinkles. Help me count. 1, 5, 6, 7. I can't believe we found them all. I wouldn't have been able to do it without your help. Thanks again. We're going to finish out our Jewish year with the holiday of Shavuot. We celebrate receiving the 10 Commandments, and we eat foods that are made out of dairy. Since the 10 Commandments are the reason for the holiday, let's find those first. Good job. You have gotten so good at this. And now could you help me find the cheese? What about some yummy cheesecake? And I bet you know where to find the ice cream. We did it! We found everything we need to celebrate all of the Jewish holidays. Thank you again for all of your help. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.